Ooh, this is amazing, y'all. Hi there, beautiful people. It is your favorite girl, Stylishlyelle, back with another video. So this was the first week that I went outside. I went out for groceries only groceries in the past 2 weeks. I have actually been quarantining for 2 weeks, and luckily I am not alone. My best friend is here, so she's been working from home. Obviously I own my own business, so I've been working from home. You guys, this whole thing has been crazy, but I thought, I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna keep the content going. I filmed a lot of videos. Unfortunately, I haven't released them yet to you guys, but I'm going to start kind of gathering them up and putting something out every week for you guys. But this video is gonna be fun. It's gonna be a springtime look. I feel like I have not done a makeup tutorial in so long, and especially like a colorful, you know, kind of look on my skin tone. It's gonna be a springtime look, but it's also going to be a video about using products that I haven't used in a while or have never tried before. And in my closet, I have, okay, this big thing. It's really heavy and it filled to the brim. Oh gosh, that's how you know you have a problem. Let me not even lie. Let me not lie. Everything in here is basically new. It's just makeup that I've bought over time and I haven't had time to use. So in the spirit of getting you guys some laughs and some jolly ups and stuff like that, let's get into creating something fun and new. Oh god, what's in my nose? Okay, so I'm gonna be digging through here. This is like shopping my stash, and we're gonna be trying either stuff like I haven't used in a while or I have never used on my channel. So there's a few primers I have here. I have the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I have the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer and Blurring Primer. We also have the Becca Ever Matte Poreless. Oh my god, you guys, I have not reached for this in so long. I know that I also have the e.l.f. primer in here, which honestly, that one I know that I really do like. I do like it. I just have not used it in a long time. So let's go ahead and use this one. It looks like lotiony. Oh, feels really good actually. I also don't know why I just put primer on first. You know what, it feels a little oily, which makes me nervous, but it feels really good. I'm like, am I doing my face first or am I doing... Okay, so we want to do a colorful look, so I'm actually going to use the P. Louise base. So I'm gonna put a little on my lid and I'm gonna blend it out with my brush. You should have come out with better shades. Don't use as much as I did. I'm actually gonna run the excess on my bottom lash line since we will be putting color there as well. And I actually think I'm gonna set this because I think I definitely put way more than I want to use. I have this palette from Makeup Revolution. This is something that I've been using recently. Actually, you know what? We said we're gonna be using new things today. Okay, so this is an oldie but a goodie. This is the Bad Habits palette that they were kind of copying Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna take the shade Skin to Skin in here. It's like this very light shade, light peachy shade, and use that to slightly, just like lightly dust over this, just on the brow area. Okay, and the palette that I'm gonna be using is actually the sister palette to this one, much pinker than I wanted. So as part of the set is 3 sets, and there's a set called the Aftershock, and it's this colorful palette. I have not used this yet, but I'm actually quite excited. And it is this beautiful like electric color here, so pretty. I don't know what look I'm going for, you guys. I don't know. I definitely think I want pink. So on the lid, I'm gonna just run this color called Surge right here. I'm gonna run that in my inner corners. Ooh, and I'm just tapping this in first. You guys, this palette, look how pigmented this is. Jeez. I haven't even blended this in. I'm just kind of tapping it on the edge. And to blend out the edges of that, I'm gonna go in into Chaser. It's this like peachy color here, and softly, I mean, I'm barely touching my skin, I'm gonna blend out the edge of that color. I'm gonna stick with the same brush, and I'm gonna go into the color Tingle, and this is the color we're gonna put all over our lid. And again, I am tapping it in, bringing it into my inner corners. Oh my god, I just put the yellow on the other eye. Actually, I kind of like that. Let's just go ahead and finish. I guess we're doing two separate eyes today. The one thing I will say about the yellow is when you do pat it in, the intensity of it fades away. So it looks like a color I'm gonna have to build up quite a lot. This eye looks gorgeous though, I won't lie, I won't lie. I'm gonna put a little bit of the yellow up here. That's originally what I was actually going to do. I love that. So I'm gonna take the Tingle and cover up this bottom portion, let a little bit of the yellow show. Now for eyeliner, I'm really excited because I have had these eyeliners forever. I gotta find it in here somewhere. All right, so I have it in this red color called Boots, and I also have it in this yellow color called Punch. So we're gonna go ahead and use Punch. So this is Alamand, this is their flat top brush. I'm gonna go again into Punch. Wish me luck. Definitely going to take a lot of effort to get this going. Ooh, I'm having to like really go over this, trying not to get my lash stuck in there. It looks okay on camera, but it's not looking good in real life, but I've already committed. So with the ColourPop, I'm having to dab it rather than dragging. It really does not take well to you dragging it out. I think that's literally the best I can do right now. It looks okay on camera, you guys, but in person I don't like it so much. I think it's fun, I think it's playful, but it took way too much work that I would like to admit to get here, and I'm not for it. Yeah, these eyeliners are a pass. I think if you're gonna use it, don't use it on eyeshadow. I think I would just rather use it on its own. I'm going to attempt to put on some lashes, and I'll be back after I put those on. And these are, I think, Envy lashes that I just picked up. Nothing special. All right guys, so I'm back with my lashes on. It was a struggle. I have the Pat McGrath Labs Fetish Eyes mascara. To be honest, I really love this mascara. You're gonna see my Nyla, because she is literally, I had to let her out of the room. She was crying so much. And I honestly really like this mascara. I just have the sample version, and I am really considering getting this. This looks good. We'll come back to the bottom lashes later. Do y'all see her? She's literally like sitting on my lap right now. Okay, so yeah, let's go back in with a little, no, the primer feels really oily on my skin, you guys, but we're gonna rock with it. I'm excited because we get to try new makeup today. So I also have the Ordinary Serum Foundation. Oh my god, I have so many things in here. You know what, I'm actually gonna go in a little bit with the e.l.f. Poreless Primer, because I love this primer and I love how much it smooths out my face. You guys, the way this thing fills out my pores is like it's not even real. This is definitely the concealer I want to use, the e.l.f. concealer. I've tried this on my channel. I don't know if I actually released that video to you guys, but I do want to use this. I really like this concealer. Okay, there's also the Black Up foundation. I've never tried anything from Black Up before. I found it. This is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin 24-Hour Foundation. This is in the shade R560. I have some makeup sponges. So there's this one. There's also that one is from Pure. And I think I also have an e.l.f. set here. The e.l.f. one has these 3 ones and one for a concealer. I think that's so cute. I definitely want to try that out. Again, we're gonna try the Matte Skin 24-hour foundation from Makeup Forever. I'm hoping this is a really great foundation. Again, I am in shade R560. I think that's the last shade they have in any of their foundation. Hopefully that's not OD, what I just did there. Has a strong smell. I really can't describe what that smells like, but so far the coverage is nice. I would say this is medium to full coverage for sure. One thing about Makeup Forever is that they've always had, like, I feel like their foundations have always kind of ran a little red on me. This one is not so bad. It has a very strong smell. I usually don't complain about smells. It's is it perfumed? I'm not sure. It's not as bad as the Huda Beauty. The Huda Beauty, woo, bruh. We're gonna try the, we're going to use the e.l.f. concealer. Now, I have used this before. I'm not sure if I released a video. I might release it just to have content for you guys. This is a 16-hour camo concealer. I am in the shade Rich Chocolate. And the doe foot on this concealer is so big. I love the color of this concealer. Let's do this step together as a unit. I recently just purchased the new Fenty Beauty matchsticks because they extended their shade range. Thank you, Fenty Beauty. All right, here it is, Fenty Beauty matchsticks in the shade Ebony. Never in a million freaking years did I think I would ever be able to use this. I don't know if this is even gonna show up on my skin. I'm going to run this along my jawline. It does show up, barely, but it's there. Oh God. Oh God, I might be in trouble. I forgot how much this concealer dries down so fast. I'm just gonna use some setting spray. Ooh. Help me melt this out. I'm gonna turn to a brush. It's not moving fast enough. I have my e.l.f. concealer brush here. I'm just gonna use this to blend out everything. I'm just gonna keep spraying. I'm going in with my foundation. It's not the concealer's fault. The concealer is actually really good. I just needed to remember that you're supposed to blend it out right away. I unfortunately have to go in with more. I'm gonna do one area at a time. I'm just gonna go right in and blend that in. Yeah, this is not a concealer that you allow to sit. Just remember that. There you go, don't panic. We can fix it. I'm gonna go in and blend the contour out. I like the way the contour looks on my forehead. That's pretty. That actually added a little bit of depth, to be honest. I've never blended so fast in my life, but the concealer is beautiful, as you guys can tell. It's not its fault. It really sets in place, like sets in place, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty in, what is this, Nutmeg, and I really like this powder. I used it on another tutorial that you would have probably seen before this one, to be honest. And I'm gonna set my contour. We're gonna use actually what I'm holding. This is the Prime Beauty bronzer in Chocolate Liddy. That combo between the Fenty Beauty and this, I'm really liking. Like, I feel like you can see it a lot more than the normal times I've used this. For blush, I'm gonna use the Artisan Color Baked Blush from Black Radiance. This is in the color Rich Peach. I wish it would say Rich Bitch. Rich Peach. Very, very, very pretty color. Now I'm gonna go back in and finish the bottom of my eye. I'm gonna go back into Surge, and then we're gonna buff it out with Chase. Bring it out. I'm really liking this side of my face. Like choosing a favorite child. I shouldn't do it, but I'm doing it. And then I'm gonna go in with Chase and soften the edge of that a little bit. And I'm gonna go back in with Pat McGrath Fetish for my bottom lashes. I actually feel like my look is so strong that I could probably get away with putting just a hint more blush on. Yeah, that's better. I just need to balance out. Okay, I'm definitely gonna keep the lips neutral. I was gonna go all out for the lips, but I don't think so. So we're gonna use the e.l.f. Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Coffee. I'm just gonna go in with Coffee by itself. And my lips are pretty dry today. I also wanna try out the Fenty Gloss Bomb, the new shade in Hot Chocolate. Have a feeling this is going to be my new favorite because it's going to be closer to my skin tone. Oh, hell yeah. If you have not tried Gloss Bomb by now, and that e.l.f. lipstick is pretty uncomfortably drying, even though I like the color. Yeah, this is my new favorite Gloss Bomb. It's perfect for my skin tone. And then we're gonna go in with the Makeup Master Fix Maybelline. Woo! I'm sitting right under a fan, so just gonna let it do its thing. Okay, we have this Make Me Blush palette. Must have been something someone got me because I probably would never buy this. And there's a shade combination here. I'm just gonna test it out and see. I don't think I'm gonna like this at all. It's just sitting on top of my skin. All right, let's go in with something else. Let's do MAC Go Deposit. That's it. So far, so good. I think we did well. This was not a failure. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a blessed day. I'm actually gonna use this look to film a spring haul for you guys. I'm so excited for it because I haven't done a fashion video in a long time either. So thank you guys for watching. Please stay safe, stay at home. Stay at home. We will get over this together, and hopefully watching this just gave you a little bit of joy. And until the next one, love you. Bye.